Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don give approval make dem start big recruitment wey go employ plenty youths for state civil service as part of di plan to fight unemployment and bring quick development for di state. Di governor tok dis one for APC campaign rally for Iruwa ahead of di Edo Central Senatorial by-election wey go shele on August 16, 2025. E tok say im passion to serve na sake of di love wey im get for im pipo. E still tok say apart from to create work, im government dey do plenty projects for Edo Central like building of one correct modern market for Iruwa, expansion of the Ekpoma-Ubiaja road and the extension of 33 kV power line make lights no dey blink anyhow for the area amongst other projects dem. As im dey show wetin im do before as senator for small time, the governor remind the people say e helep push the ongoing reconstruction of Benin-Auchi-Okene road project with support from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. E thank the people of Iruwa for how dem stand gidigba support am during im senator and governorship election and come beg the people make dem support President Tinubu for 2027 re-election. Say Tinubu na leader wey love Edo State.
When we say we want to develop Iruwa, is it not the township we have to develop? That is why we are bringing a modern market inside this town. This is going to be a supermarket. A market that when you get there, you want to sit down and eat. Even then, you will still sit down and eat. There will be a restaurant there. There will be a crèche for children there. And just name it. Beautiful things will be there. We also discovered that we don't have good light. We don't have good light in Iruwa here. So we are bringing 33 kVA over. So our light is going to be very, very stable. Our youth has finished school. Many of them have finished university, but they did not have opportunity to enter government job, to become a civil servant in this state that belongs to them. So now, we are going to massively employ our people. Creating employment for our people is the best thing we can do for them, so that they too can grow. Is that not what we want? And my coming here is just to tell you that I am ready to serve and work for our people. I want to say a very big thank you. First, for my senatorial election, for governorship election, you did not take money from them to sell that election. You resisted rigging. You won this place very well. Thank you very much. Now, again, we have our own brother, our son, who is like me. So we don't talk. That is why when I came into Senate for 9 months, you know I was there for 9 months. Was I not able to do Ekpoma Road? Is it not concrete road? That road is 130 billion naira. One thing is to send you a message. Another thing is for you to get there, you don't know where they send you. You don't know why they send you there. We know why. I know why they sent me there. I was at the Senate, I was able to use it. Now, as a governor, I'm using it again. Now, Joe, when Joe gets there, he will continue from where I stop. I think you support the dualization of this road. Yes. Do you support it? It's already ongoing. Whether we do it is not there. It's already ongoing. Who is giving me power? Who is giving me strength? Who is encouraging me? Why is it that I don't hear? Is it not because of our president? Yes. Because of our president, we will continue to work for our people. For because of us, we have agreed. Have we not agreed? What did we promise him?
2.5 million votes.
We are not campaigning yet. We don't want him to come here because it is already settled here. Thank you very much. On Saturday, we will do the needful. Only Ikpea will win that day.
The APC Edo Central senatorial candidate, Honorable Joseph Ikpea, and the Commissioner of Education, Dr. Padi Iyamu, still talk for the rally as them yarn say,
I'm going to thank you because I know this God's place. Yeah, there's no mistake here. Yeah, it's 100 of our own, not be so. I want to assure you the good work the government is doing for all of us. That is what I want to emulate. I want to align my vision with that of the government to bring good into all of us. So I hear me so, the youth are power by the grace of God. That power is women are great. Women are security. The issue of insecurity. We are going to start going. We know the business. We know what to use. We have the data space to fight insecurity. We know the critical point where to put our satellite to fight insecurity. I want to assure you by the grace of God. After on the 16th, when Muslims are voted for me, with the private government, I'm quite sure that the glory of Etalan will grow again. I will be the former senator you have not seen before by the grace of God. In this world, because we are going to be doing a grand finale tomorrow, where all the cream and the la cream in Nigeria will come and felicitate with Governor of Edo State and Esaland in Ekpoma. All of you are invited, Emmas. Before then, Beja Karepoti will have a city here. Olema were vote on Saturday. Madari Governor Unu. Madari Governor Unu was it. Are we not happy that we have governor from Eastern Central? Are we not happy that we have governor from Irua? The only way we can demonstrate that is to come out that day and vote Emma. My equal vote to go to any other party. This night we are aware they are going to be bringing money to you. Please, do not reject money. Collect money from everybody. Even when Joe got the bring money, collect it. It's your money. He took the money from the agricultural loan that he stole some days ago, some years ago. It is the time to give it to you now. That's why God decided to punish him by making him get ticket of the PDP. Because it is written that Joe will be senator. But when he was praying, he heard that Joe will be senator. And his name is Joe. He never asked God which of the Joe. When he later asked God, it was too late. God told him, it's Joe Ikpea. Because he is Joe Ikpea. That Joe Ikpea, he was the commissioner over there. He was the local government chairman over there. In fact, he has had so many positions over there. The Irua people are happy with him.
The people of Ward 5 and Ward 6, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you very, very much. You have done it before, and I know you are going to do it again. I don't have much more to say, because from the number of people who are here, from the joy in the face of the people, and from the expectations that we can see for the face of the people, we know that they are ready to come out en masse on Saturday to vote for Joe Ikea. There are several reasons why our people are very excited today. They are excited because their son, their very son, in whom they are very well pleased and proud, is doing great and mighty works. God using him to do great works in Edo State and also in this land. Your Excellency, Esa people, Irua people, Otorua people are grateful to you. We are all solidly behind you.
We'll say that joy has come to the people of Okpebholo. You know, the governor is a man who means what he says and says what he means. Immediately he made that pronouncement, I was excited because I know that from tomorrow we're going to set the ball rolling. And by the grace of God, all the children from Okpebholo community will have a sigh of relief. Yes, of course. You know, we are moving with the speed of light. The governor has given a clear mandate that all the children from Edo State must have basic education. And not just basic education, we have also transited to the higher institutions. I will not even collect school fees anymore because of the scheme of the government, even with NEL Fund program. So joy has come indeed, because we are going to start the renovation. We are going to make sure that it's up to standard, as you can see with other schools we have done. And by the grace of God, every child in the Okpebholo community will have the platform to excel and achieve their dreams. In this election, I can assure you that from all what we are seeing, 95% assurance. The governor has worked. His action speaks louder. So we don't need to talk too much. We don't need to campaign too much, because indeed, Akpakomiza, Senator Mondo Okpebholo, is a man of action.
The rally carry plenty Ogbonge APC members like SSG Umar Musa Ikilo Esquire, Edo Central Senatorial Leader General Cecil Isekaigbe retired, APC State Deputy Chairman Sylvester Aigbogbo, plus other people. This rally is part of APC plan to gather people's support ahead of the August 16 senatorial by-election. Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.